Welcome back to part 2 of representing proportional relationships. Today we're going to be representing proportional relationships using graphs. You can represent proportional relationships with a graph because proportional relationships have a straight line. The line also passes through the origin, so that helps you with determining if it's a proportional relationship. So in this graph, it's a straight line, and it passes through the origin. So that means this is showing a proportional relationship. It is measuring the distance measured in miles and in leagues. So the y-axis is the miles, the x-axis is the leagues. For example 2, it says the graph shows the relationship between the weight of an object on the moon and its weight on Earth. Write an equation for this relationship. So what they do is they give you a line on a graph, and then you have to find points that you can use. And so this one would be at 6, 1. So 6, 1. This one would be at 12, 2. So there's 12, 2. This point is at 18, 3. And this point here is at 30, 5. So 30 and 5. We can use these to find the constant of proportionality, remembering that the weight is our x-axis and the moon weight is our y-axis. So we're going to take 1 divided by 6 and get 1/6. We have 2 over 12. Simplify those by dividing both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. On 3 over 18, both divisible by 3. That's 1/6. And then 5 over 30, divide by 5, and that's 1 over 6. So each one has 1/6, so we have a constant of proportionality where the constant of proportionality is 1/6. To write an equation, we know that our basic formula is y equals 2x, or kx, and we're going to replace k with 1/6. So our equation is y equals 1/6 x. The graph here shows the relationship between the amount of time a backpacker hikes and the distance traveled. And so they want to know, what does the point 5, 6 represent? So this point right here. Well, the 5 is representing 5 hours. So in 5 hours, the hiker hiked, this is going up by 2's, so 6 miles. 5 hours, hiked 6 miles. What is the equation of this relationship? Well, we have these points, and we know that it's a proportional relationship. It comes through 0. So we know that it's y over x. So k is y over x. So in this, we have 6 over 5. So that means that our equation is going to be y, k, is 6 over 5, and then times x. If you have any questions about how to find your constant, please see your teacher.